Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with the Purpose. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your real world using ARKit. So let's get started. So here you have seen that I have created an augmented reality app, and after that I am basically editing the code inside the content view. I have removed all the code inside the make UI view function, and now I am adding two of the variables, text English and another text Arabic, which is basically an Arabic translation of the text English variable hello ARKit. So here I'm writing all my code inside the function update UI view because my view needs to be updated every 5 seconds. You have seen that I have added deadline dot now plus 5. After that I've removed all the anchors and basically apply a not operation to is English flag, which will basically decide in which language we want to show the text on our real world. So you have seen that the code is pretty simple. After line number basically 41, we have created an anchor entity. After that, we have created a text object with mesh resource dot generate text function, passing it extrusion depth, which is basically the thickness of letters. After that, a font is set. We have set the shader also with a UI color, roughness, and the property is metallic to true. After that, we have created a text entity with this shader and this text variable, and then we have set its x, y, and z position inside the real world, set its parent, and after that we have added UI view.scene.add anchor and add this anchor to basically my scene. After that, I'm going to play the code. So guys, as a last step before playing the code is basically add the relevant permissions inside the info.plist file. The privacy camera user description is already added since we have created the project from AR template. But if you want to basically create a new one, you can override the previous one and show the text that you want to show it to the user before accepting the permissions, and after that we are good to go and we can play the code. So guys, let's play the code. I'm going to play the code in simulator first and after that onto a real device. I've set the orientation of the simulator to landscape to basically show you the text. Otherwise, the text will be clipped. In real version, I'm going to show you in portrait mode and you can move around the device to see the actual text. And you can see that every 5 seconds the text is going to change. So this is all for the run of this app using this code. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. I'm going to create further videos on ARKit and I hope you are enjoying learning ARKit and SwiftUI. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.